Okay, this video is for my little brother Noah, so if you're not Noah, then keep scrolling. Okay, so I'm gonna show him how to make sushi rolls my way. Okay, I'm not Japanese, but I am Asian, so.
Are you?
Right, so I'm gonna do inside out roll, and then so this is your nori sheets, and then you have these lines. So because I want to make them quite big, I'm gonna cut here. Right, so if you take a look at my mise en place here, I have everything prepared, okay? I had my daikon that I actually pickled myself, and I have tofu. It was leftover tofu. I normally wouldn't put that. And so this is guacamole only because our avocados are not ripe, so I just had to think of something last minute. And most importantly, our sushi rice, as you can see, each grain is still visible, right? It's not mush.
All intact.
And it's nicely seasoned. You need to have water, and you need to have a rag here, okay? Like a damp rag. As you can tell, my sushi mat is completely wrapped in saran wrap, okay? That's very important in an inside out roll. So now I'm wetting my hands, get my rice. I'm gonna put it here like this. And you're not mushing it down, okay? I'm very gentle with the rice. I don't know how else to explain it.
Don't overpress.
Yeah, don't overpress. You don't want to put too much rice either, right? And then so I like to do a little bit of the overhang of rice, so about 1/2 inch, and you'll see why later. Clean your hands. You said that the rice was kept sticking to your hands. You're constantly wetting and you're constantly drying. Now you're gonna flip the rice over onto the other side. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just gonna use my guacamole as the mayo. This is not wasabi, okay? Because I don't want the avocado to oxidize, so I'm gonna put it next to the pickled daikon. I don't know if that's actually gonna work, but we'll see. Then we're gonna go with the carrot. We have our cucumber. You're probably thinking, oh my God, it's so much stuff. But you'll see, it's not. And then again, see how I'm constantly wiping my hands. Now I'm gonna go in with the tofu. You got this part, there's no rice on this part. So you're gonna fold it over like this. And you're gonna push everything inside. Like you're rolling a joint or I don't know.
Oh, yeah, what?
Huh? Then you're gonna use the sushi mat to guide it over. Squeeze. There's your roll. And then again, one more little squeeze. Then we'll cut it. At this point, you can decorate the outside. You can put some sesame seeds or whatever. Sushi 101. Because our knives are not proper sushi knives, a good cheat is to just use a serrated knife or a bread knife. Because then you'll know it's going to go straight through the seaweed. Right, so I'm just going to put
There's a lot of crunch in it.
Yeah.
Don't want to squish.
Yeah. So what I like to do is I actually wet my knife. So right in half. Then I line it up again. Boop, boop, boop. And then you just take one, then you eat it.